Hello friends. From the chart you can see you have 25 weeks of complete weekly numbers. The third row from the top on a Saturday you can see the last figure of 7, with the addition of 4, 2, 1, 9 gives us 4 numbers which are 1986. The sequence starts on a Sunday and ends on a Saturday, which shows on the fourth row. The sequence of 1986 reflects 3 times during these 7 days. The sequence of production starts with 1 for machine T is amongst the Nanga numbers. 3 times the number 89, which is the highest product number during the week. Similarly, fourth row Saturday last number 0. The addition of 4, 2, 1, 9 adds to 4219 individually. However, here the first addition figure is 4 and this was achieved twice once in the week and exceeded 3 times. Similarly, fifth row Saturday last number 4. The addition of 4, 2, 1, 9 adds up to 8653. Here again you can see the number beginning with 8 as the production shows 3 times. We also had one sequence which began with ANUMPR on Badal. Similarly, we have a total of 25 sequences or weeks that we have to observe. You can see for a few weeks, the first number dominates, which is the addition of 4 to the last figure of Saturday. This determines how you calculate the production figure for this week. The last figure was 7, which came on Saturday, today, and the addition sequence of 4, 2, 1, 9 determines as 1986 plus, which will dominate during the week starting tomorrow. It will be above or with similar sequence. At least 2 digits or 2 figures with each machine should come or cross this figure of 8 for machine T, 6 for machine A, 5 for machine B, 3 for machine C. Please wait. 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 Hi friends, the addition of last figure based on Saturday was 9. This gives us the figure of 3108, which is something we cross-check during the week. You can see 4 days out of 7 days. From Sunday to Saturday, we have had 4 days where the figures resemble the minimum figures for the individual board machines, or at least 2 boards, machines, exceed the minimum production target. So the chart is just a representation of the addition sequence. This helps in keeping a track of the production numbers required for the week. I hope you understand the sequence and how the addition sequence works.